Pickpocketing. Stealing from someone's pockets or bag without their notice. Cybercrime. Criminal activities carried out using computers or the internet. Assault. Physically attacking or threatening to attack someone. Hijacking. Taking control of a vehicle or aircraft by force. Smuggling. Illegally transporting goods or people across borders. Mugging. Robbing a person in public using force or threats. Burglary. Illegally entering a building to commit a crime, usually theft. Bribery. Offering money or gifts to influence someone's actions illegally. Robbery. Stealing from a person or place using force or threat. Shoplifting. Stealing items from a store without paying for them. Looting. Stealing goods during a riot, war, or natural disaster. Extortion. Forcing someone to do something by using threats or pressure. Theft. Taking someone's property without permission. Drunk driving. Operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol. Kidnapping. Taking someone away against their will. Drug trafficking. Illegally selling, transporting, or distributing drugs. Blackmail. Threatening to reveal harmful information to gain something. Traffic offenses. Violations of traffic rules or laws. Jaywalking. Crossing the road illegally or outside a crosswalk. Hit and run. Leaving the scene of an accident without stopping or helping.